Liqui Moly silicone spray is a releasing agent and lubricant which is free from mineral oil and grease and protects, insulates and lubricates all surfaces with a transparent, lasting protective film. Spray the components which you wish to treat regularly with a thin film. As a care and protective agent for plastic and rubber, as a lubricant for sunroof and seat guides, and for making installation of hose connections in the engine compartment easier, Liqui Moly silicone spray also eradicates troublesome noises from plastic. Liqui Moly silicone spray is dissolved in chlorine-free solvent, clean to use and has a pleasant smell. Make sure that silicone spray does not come into contact with food products. Liqui Moly silicone spray. Liqui Moly, for technical and visual value retention for your car, from one single source.